This is Tamara Linkowski from HealthyTreatsMarket.com, and my friend Susan here, her friend told her about us and brought her here. And can you tell them how much you lost?
Yep, I actually started doing Healthy Treats Market 6 weeks ago, and I am down almost 21 pounds. And this shirt that I'm wearing right now, I actually could not get into, and I told myself when I could get into this shirt that I knew that I had made progress. So it is working. It is
and it's not even tight. It's not even tight.
You know, so it is well worth coming out here. Tamara is fantastic. She can help you with any of your needs. So
yep. And guys, I call this keto on steroids because it's not just keto friendly. It's low carb, it's low calorie, and you're eating basically the same amount of food on half the calories. And it's all clean ingredients. So that's a big reason why this works, and it works so well. Like literally almost every customer here has lost weight. I think in the year we've been here, I've had like 2 customers that struggled. So we want you to come see us, guys. We're in the Davison Farmers Market every Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday. We are online at HealthyTreatsMarket.com. You can like our Facebook page, Healthy Treats Market. You can join the Healthy Treats Market support group, and you can subscribe to our Healthy Treats Market YouTube channel and see all kinds of videos of how to make things. Everything is super simple. I'm a mom of 11 kids, and so I don't complicate anything. You can make a meal in under 5 minutes. Thanks for watching. God bless you. Do you have anything more to say?
it's just absolutely delicious. You will not feel like you are deprived at all. So come
That's
down,
right.
see her, and she'll take care of you.
It's a lifestyle. Thanks for watching, guys.
Bye.